Start by prepping the skin, ensuring that it is clean. Tear open the sterile seal bag to remove the case with the BioRNA patch inside. Next, carefully open the case by lifting the top flap, gently lifting the patch with your thumb. To avoid touching the microtips in the center, slowly peel off the BioRNA patch from the release paper. Place the BioRNA patch onto your skin. One may enhance the delivery of active ingredients by pressing on the patch for 30 seconds. To apply BioRNA on longer wounds, use a very clean pair of scissors and snip off one side of the patch. Place the first patch on your skin. One may enhance the delivery of active ingredients by pressing on the patch for 30 seconds. Next, repeat with the second patch, ensuring the snip is close to the region of the microtips. Overlap the second patch with the first on its cut edges. One may enhance the delivery of active ingredients by pressing on the patch for another 30 seconds. One may apply a strip of surgical tape at the adjoining region of the patches.